This woman caring for her dog makes the Menz so mad. And I spent a good chunk of time collecting emotional tears so I can make some coffee. And I would like to show you some of these tears, some of these mantrums, if you will. First, I want to show y'all her cooking for her dog, the final product, and this dog that waited so patiently for his food. This dog is so well cared for. Now, for some of the tears. This man says, I thought that was for her husband. Saddest thing I've seen all day. This person says, what's sad is you think women need to be cooking like this for a man. Where your husband? Where is your husband? And then someone has to remind her. She is kind of into women. She doesn't, regardless of if she had a relationship, she still wouldn't be cooking for a man. And then alpha man needs to weigh in. She gonna give that dog high blood pressure and have him on medication. And then Rain's mama weighs in. He's perfectly healthy because she's giving this dog seasoning and food that is created for dogs. And this woman is wondering, why y'all ninjas keep talking about where her man and do she cook for a man? Because they really believe that women are put here for them. This woman at the bottom, why are people obsessed with women cooking for a man instead of a dog? The comments are wild. Women are choosing this happiness over patriarchal nonsense, and statistics show women are happiest and healthiest alone. And y'all, look at who's saying this. It is a white woman. Women across race, culture, country, class are saying very, very similar things. I want to end this one with Jay. He says, this must be a man hater page. A woman cooking for her dog means that she hates men. Y'all, these people are wilding out. But there's more. There's more to this. Tears, I have collected quite a few. Y'all need to see some more. This woman made a video about having an equal partner for a husband. And man, did she set the Hemotionals off. She set them off. You guys can look over there. You see that this has almost 11,000 comments. Let's see a little. I'm going to give a snippet of what she was saying, and then I want y'all to see some of the comments.
I have to make him a list. I have an equal partner. I don't have to ask him to help with things around the house. I have an equal partner. He knows how to shop at the grocery store without pictures. I have an equal partner. He doesn't expect me to handle everything alone. I have an equal partner. He plans date nights without me having to beg for it. I have an equal partner. He does his own laundry. I have an equal partner. He makes his own appointments.
I wonder how he feels about this. This sounds miserable for a man. And then this person says, because his wife doesn't want to be his mommy. Poor guy. Oh, poor little baby. Let me change his diapers and put him in the crib. Oh, poor baby. And then Jared is like, facts, bro. And then another man. It's really weird. She never smiles. Yeah, so it's all about smiling and her voice. This is cringe as F. Equal partner is code for whipped. I would never expect my wife to do auto repair, roof the house, or process livestock. All I ask is for trust in each other to get things done. If that means I don't do dishes because I cook, that's called, wait for it, a compromise. Now, I do need to know who is doing a bunch of roofing and, processing livestock and auto repair. When my car needs auto repair, I get a little light and then I just take it down. Are people really still out here just being mechanics all the time? I don't know. Barbie Girl says, those tasks you listed are not daily activities. And they know that. They know that they are not sitting up here collecting livestock and putting roofs on every day, like women are cooking, cleaning, doing most of the child rearing. Let's be for real. Let's be for real, Isaac. And now we have a green flag. For real though, it's not hard. My wife isn't my maid or my mom. We both work hard. We both take care of the house. We are partners. Neither one of us is above the other. And another green flag right below him. Why you don't have more likes is beyond me. There were a few green flag men in the comments saying, yeah, we do need to be partners in the home. This is, this is how I do things. And so this is green flags. This woman says, interesting how equal is such a triggering word for some men. And then Abby says, it's about as hard for them to understand as knowing where the clitoris is. Oh, a man. Because if the dude is doing all of this and working, what the hell is she doing? He's basically a married single father at this point, because he couldn't imagine that there are still plenty of things to do, even when things are split up like this, because a household does require a lot of work, especially if you have kids. This, another green flag. My lady sent me this and just said, thank you so much. A lot of triggered men here, and that ish is effing hilarious. Laughing my butt off. Calling men like this soft, and you can't even take care of yourself or your family. LOL. Kids would starve in dirt and die if something ever happened to the mom. Absolutely. And that's the reason why people need to have the capacity to just um, fully be capable to adult all the time. It's just basic survival. Anyways, I just needed you guys to see this. And we have one more where I have garnered and gathered some tears. This lady says, y'all made us independent, now y'all mad. So we're going to watch this video and then see some of the commentary.
24, and it's really grown men out here mad because grown women are doing the things for themselves that they said they weren't gonna do for us. Like, y'all stay saying y'all not about to pay all the bills. Okay, cool, we got our own job, so now we don't need you to pay all the bills. Fixed it. I'm not buying you no house, not buying you no car, I'm not taking you on no trips, not cashing you out, none of that. And we said, okay, cool. Now we buying our own Birkin bags, taking our own trips to Dubai, cashing out because we got careers to provide ourselves with the life that you said y'all weren't going to provide for us. And now that we've like mastered the financial part of it, y'all like, oh, y'all women is too independent. Y'all don't need no man. Not for the financial part, because y'all made it very clear. There's financial shit y'all just not gonna do. So now that we don't need the money, we need other stuff from you. We need you to be emotionally mature. We need you to be reliable, dependable, be a respectful and respectable man, be trustworthy. We need you to be a good leader. But y'all falling short. And instead of saying you falling short, you're just like, oh my God, independent women are the problem. Nah, bro. You just have bad character. Because being trustworthy, being an honest and reliable person has everything to do with your character. Nothing to do with the people that you are, the people that you date, and the people that you associate with. That is your character. You're just not a good person to be with. Go find yourself.
So this woman says, we need you to be a leader, but they're all following behind some guy with a microphone. Absolutely. Someone says precisely. And then Deidre says, sitting alone in his car or wearing sunglasses so he can't see him lying through his teeth to these young boys who have brains like sponges. That is so true, because these dudes are really helping to keep the younger men single and, in this whole crisis of loneliness that they're experiencing. Okay, then this person says, so tell me then, genius, who should men listen to then? Where should men get info from about women? If you say women, I know you was held back 5 times in first grade. So he really doesn't think that women know about women. Just like, that is just preposterous to even consider. This woman says, we want all the things money can't buy, and now we asking for too much. And then the poster says, facts, we doing too much. Exactly. Wanting men to be emotionally well balanced, be partners in the household, all of that's just doing way too much. Who changes your oil, fixes your plumbing, make sure your Wi-Fi works, built that car you're sitting in? How about that phone you're using? I bet $20 you can't figure out when your blinker fluid is low. Sad. These people really, really think that we can't function without a man. And it is hilarious to watch them like verbally vomit the exact same things so much. You chose to be independent, listen to other single women and choosing BS men is your fault. Basically, the choose better thing. And basically, yeah, women just have to be independent because number one, it's just basically getting jobs and doing things for ourselves. And then, having some survival skills. Women do that. Anyways, I enjoyed all of the tears, and I surely hope that you did too. Please jump in the comments. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.